welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Disney Springs. My flight got canceled, so we get to spend an extra day over here in Orlando. Today I think I'm just gonna focus on doing pin trading. Probably gonna try to get some mystery pin bags, try to see if there's some pin boards around here, and then go back to my hotel to get some sleep because tomorrow is going to be a long day for me. So yeah, let's go to World of Disney to see what they have over there. This is the only pin that I got on the World of Disney. I might head back and try to see if I can find something else, but at least this one is the real deal. Let's see what I can find over here on the pin trading post. So cool. I might have to get this. This is so cute. Okay, so I bought a few pens, 3 of these, hoping to get a chaser. And on this set, I really want the Wreck-It Ralph. It is! Such a cute car. I love this movie. If you know me, you know I love Wreck-It Ralph. So I'm really happy about this one. With these, let's see what I get. I'm looking for chasers. Oh, I got Ursula. Don't get me wrong, I love her, but I already had her. For the second bag, I already have Sadness. Those are definitely gonna be traded. Let's see what I get on my next one. Hoping for a mystery. Oh, I got the Apple one. I got an earband. And it's the Stitch one. Where's the 25 mystery one? I swear, if this is another, it is another Sadness. I love that. So I made it back to the hotel. It was a really good day for pin trading for me in Disney Springs. Ended up doing a lot of trades with guests more than actual boards. So this is my little tiny board. This one, I literally just traded a guest. I had an extra of Mickey of the toy box, and she traded it for this one. I was like, are you sure? She was like, yes, I don't care about the value for value. I was like, but are you sure? I feel bad. She was like, no, I really want the toy in the box. I haven't been able to find it, and Mickey is the one that I really want. And I was like, okay. And then I traded with another person. She gave me this Elsa and Anna one and this Tiana pastry. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Peace. The new plane. Look at this. It's blue and purple.